We are now down to hours before Jamaica's Reggae Boyz face one of the toughest tests in CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers, away to the USA in Austin, Texas. And with Jamaica already bowing at home and sitting at the foot of the table, we are forced to go get some bonus away points. And what we have in front of us, a young, inexperienced USA team without two of their top players in Christian Pulisic and Giovanni Reina. Another fact we're looking at is that this Reggae Boyz team was built to get points on the road. They have played very little football in Jamaica. None of the players play club football locally. The European-based players in the team cope better in cool climates than in the Jamaican heat. So me not see why this Jamaica team can't go into the USA and get a point or even beat this USA team. Yes. So to all the Reggae Boyz fans them who are move shaky and give up on the team. Yeah, listen to Mr. Artist here.
Yo,
listen.
Some of them are going like them a rate beside. Yeah, them a move like them all hate beside.
Yeah,
Jamaica. When you like them say, Jamaica.
Yeah.
We do Jamaica.